recovery from the heat stroke.
Heat stroke.
Heat stroke puppy.
This puppy got heat stroke.
The baby puppy, it's nice.
It's not nice yet.
But it's nice. It's cute.
Cute.
Baby dog, he looks cute. Baby dog, he was good baby.
Ride mo pa yung mga bata sa ibang bansa.
Siyempre naman. Ay, ibang kanilang language dun eh.
Lalo yung mga Arabo, mga
How much more?
walang alam sa English.
More water?
Yeah, more water dog.
More water for the dog.
Yeah,
Because
he wants drinking.
He wants to drink more.
he wants drinking, tama yun. Ganyan ang ano.
Baby dog, he's so cute.
Aba!
Oh,
Sige na, din nun tayo ay yung kung walang ing. Ngayon ay ganun na ang mga kapangit ng saging pandang iyan. Sige na.
oh, manga.
Yun na.
Let's go, Pablo.
Mamaya na.
Mamaya uli. Later, later.
Abeng. Abeng.
Okay.
His name is Abeng. Raymond Abeng.
Prayer for
Abeng.
Abeng. For his
It's a
recovery.
girl or a boy. The one died this morning is Abeng. And kanina kalakas-lakas pa nito. Hindi mo makakukuha magkakaganito. Grabe. Grabe.
Anong kanta?
Abeng, please recover.
Abeng, Mommy's here. Mommy's here.
Baby dog, he was so cute.
Baby dog is a puppy.
Baby dog, he was puppy.
Tigawat ang ano.